Hey there, coffee lovers. If you're a proud owner of a Miele Coffee Maker and you've suddenly seen that frustrating error code F77 pop up on your screen, especially on the 2025 models, don't panic. We're here to break it down step by step so you can get your machine brewing again in no time. I'm your guide to troubleshooting this common issue, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident tackling it yourself. First off, what exactly is error code F77? It typically indicates a problem with the water flow system in your Miele Coffee Maker. This could mean there's an issue with the flow meter, a blockage in the lines, or even a sensor malfunction. These machines are high-tech, but they're not immune to everyday hiccups like mineral buildup from hard water or improper maintenance. Let's dive into the possible causes. One common culprit is a clogged water filter or inlet. Over time, limescale and debris can accumulate, disrupting the flow and triggering the error. Another possibility is a faulty pump or sensor, which might need a reset or deeper inspection. And hey, if you haven't descaled your machine recently, that could be the hidden villain here. Regular cleaning is key to keeping these appliances running smoothly. Now, for the troubleshooting steps. Start by unplugging your coffee maker and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. Once it's back on, check the water reservoir and make sure it's properly seated and filled. Next, run a descaling cycle using Miele's recommended solution. Follow the manual for exact instructions. If the error persists, inspect the water lines for any visible blockages and clean them out carefully. You might also want to test the machine without the filter to see if that's the problem. If none of these steps work, it could be a more serious hardware issue, like a defective flow meter. In that case, contact Miele customer support or a certified technician. They can diagnose and fix it under warranty if your machine is still covered. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the device before any internal checks. There you have it, error code F77 demystified. By following these tips, you should be back to enjoying your perfect cup of coffee in no time. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance fixes, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and brew on.